The commander-in-chief's given out shoot-to-kill orders, so the Mosquito fleet better watch their six.
President Trump has authorized the United States Navy to destroy any Iranian fast boats that attempt to put mines in the water or disrupt passage through the Strait of Hormuz, to shoot and kill. Our commanders have clear rules of engagement. If Iran is putting mines in the water or otherwise threatening American commercial shipping or American forces, we will shoot to destroy. No hesitation, just like the drug boats in the Caribbean.
The Navy currently undertaking a major minesweeping operation in the Gulf with the best tech money can buy.